Today we're going to show you how to change a Nissan Altima Key Fob battery. So first thing you need to do is open up the key, and to do that there's a little tab on the back. You're going to press up and you're going to take out the spare key right there, remove that. Now these typically take a CR2032 or a CR2025 Key Fob battery. Just depends on the model year, but we've got links to both of these below if you want to find one. Now the first thing we need to do is open up the two halves of this, and you don't want to just jam it in there because there are electronics you can damage. You want to put your screwdriver in. There's a little notch here on this side or this side. Get your screwdriver in, and you're going to just rotate like so and kind of pry it open by going to the side, and that's going to get you into the Key Fob battery there, and then you're going to be able to open this up. Now we can see once we've got this open, it says CR2032 right there. It's in tiny little print. But you can also check by removing the battery. Make sure you see which side is up here. So we've got the negative side up here. We're just going to pry that out, okay? And that gets us access to the Key Fob battery right there. And this one is a CR2032. So we take our new CR2032 battery, we put it in. We're going to have the positive symbol down because that's how it came out. And then we're just going to take the Key Fob cover and we're going to put it back in place, snap everything in. We've got it nice and snapped in there. And then we're going to take our key and replace that. So that is how you replace a Nissan Altima Key Fob battery. This one takes a CR2032. Some of the other models take a CR2025. We've got links to both of those in the description below. And we appreciate you watching. Doesn't cost you anything to give us that thumbs up or subscribe, but it helps more people see this channel and help more people do DIY stuff. So I appreciate you doing that for us to support the channel, but also so you can help other people watching out there and save a little bit of money doing something DIY rather than needing to go to the dealer. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.